Hey there. So, let's talk about a common issue that many people face when trying to split multiline text. The problem arises when attempting to break the text using a specific word, but encountering difficulties with whitespace handling. This can be frustrating, especially when dealing with structured data where precise splitting is key. Now, diving into the solution provided, we come across a clever way to tackle this problem. By utilizing the M flag from multiline mode and crafting a regex pattern that targets the beginning of each line, followed by tabs or spaces before the word name, we can effectively split the text as intended. This refined approach ensures that empty lines are excluded from the splitting process, resulting in a clean and accurate separation based on the desired word. In practical terms, applying the code snippet $text equals $text split, M equals *T asterisk, name \S asterisk, smiley face, successfully segments the multiline text, maintaining the structure and details of each section. The output neatly organizes the information under each player, highlighting their respective attributes without any unwanted line breaks or discrepancies. To wrap things up, this technique offers a streamlined solution to the initial problem, enhancing readability and usability when handling multiline text with specific splitting requirements. Remember, efficiency is key when working with data organization, and this method serves as a handy tool in your scripting arsenal. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay tech savvy, and see you in the next one.